Hello everyone. Let us look at an example of a database. So we will take a very simple example to show how the data is structured and how are we going to maintain various elements of the data and relate the data. So let us look at a simple university database where there are many students who are registered. So we are here looking at examples of 2 students. Each of them have a name. Then there is an identification number that the university has given. They belong to a certain class and they are doing certain major. And the university is offering many courses. Here we are looking at a sample list of the courses that are offered. Each of these courses has a course identification number, the credits associated with it, and the department which is offering this course. Further, we can see that whenever this course is offered, a section is created. We can see that there is a section identifier, and then the course number is mentioned for the section, and the semester and the year, and the instructor who is teaching that course during that semester. And as we can see, when the course math is offered twice, once in fall 07 and another time during the fall 08, they have different section numbers because different students have registered and different instructor is teaching the course for that semester. And then the students who take a course are going to receive a grade. So we can see that the student has an identifier. So this is going to tell us who is the student. And then the section identifier is going to tell what is the course we are referring to, and then the grade that is received by the student. Now for each course, there may be several prerequisites. So we can put them into a different structure that tells what are the courses and then what are the prerequisites, and we do not need to give further details. All we need to give is the course identification number. So whenever we need to look at the further details, so we'll be able to go into the course table and are going to look at the details related to the course. So what we are seeing is that we can organize the university data, which is for certain purpose, such as maintaining the register of the students who have registered for a certain course and what are the courses offered during a semester and what are the grades that have been received by the students during the semester and who taught those courses. For all this information, we can organize it in the form of tables, and we can see that in each table we are maintaining a related information. For example, all the details of the course are maintained in a table, and all the details of the students are maintained in different table. And then the tables have relation between multiple tables. For example, the course table and then the section table, they're related because the section is related specific to each semester. There is a course is offered in a section, and then the details related to the course are available in the course table. So we can also see that some of the things such as the student detail are more of kind of entities. Similarly, the course detail are more of entities. What we can see is that they are something that is representing a fixed information, and that is not significantly changing or very frequently changing. And then whenever a student registers for a course, what we are seeing is that it is going to create a certain activity, and then the student is going to participate in the course and receive a grade. So we can see that the tables have different types of meanings if we look at the purpose for which the tables are created. So that way we have seen a simple database, and we have seen the structure of the data and how the data is organized in the form of the tables. Thank you.